In order to solve an interest problem on the GED, you could always use this formula. And this is one that they'll give you on the formula sheet. But to find the interest, you'll start with P, that's the principal, but that's just the initial amount, so $5,000. R is the interest rate, but it's always whatever percent they give you, so times 8%. And then times T, the number of years, so times 3 here. And T is always measured in years. Okay, so then we're going to multiply these with the calculator. Let's do that. 5,000 times 8. To do the percent, just hit the second left parenthesis. And then times 3. Okay, 1,200. But that is the interest I right there. That's what we were finding. So we're done for that problem. But just a heads up, we borrowed $5,000, so we still have to pay that back, but we pay $1,200 in additional fees. So sometimes you have to add the interest back with the original. And that's what we'll have to do for the next one here. This time it's a savings account. Sasha deposits this much. It's got an interest rate of this amount, so as soon as you see interest, go ahead and grab that formula. Okay, we know the initial 8,500 times our interest rate 4.25%, and then 2.5 years, same thing as 2.5. You could type this into the calculator and it's just going to give you 903. But then we want to find what is her balance in the account. Well, it's a savings account and she already put 8,500. But then when it's savings and you have an interest, that's what you made on top of the original. So 903 plus 8,500, let's add those. And that'll give us 9,403. So that's the true total in the account here. And just one last problem to have a heads up for when you're given time in months. Okay, we see interest, we grab that formula, started off, the initial 1,500, the rate 8%, but we don't want to multiply by 9 because that'll be 9 years. But when you're given months, you could always put that many months out of 12, and then it'll make it out of a full year, and that's perfect. So let's see what this guy gives us. Got 1,500 times 8%. But then to do the fraction, just use the N over D button. Then you could do 9 down 12. And $90 is our interest. But let's see, how much will we have to pay back total? This time we borrowed 1,500 and 90 was the interest. So we'll have to pay that on top of the original. We got to add that back into there. So 1,590 is the grand total. So not too bad once you get used to the formula and how to type it in here. Here's a video on percents if you want some more practice with those. Let me know what questions and issues you run into. You got these. We'll see you in the next video. Toodles.